Is your child spending too much time on screen, and are you worried about their physical health, mental health and their brain chemistry? Too much screen time does not only affect their physical health but also affect their focus, their capability, their capacity to concentrate in class, and there are many other after effects of that. And it also triggers dopamine. You understand, dopamine is a feel good hormone. So we need to understand how can we curtail or how can we cut off that dopamine effectively. So for the development for our child, I'll share few effective ways to control this habit without fighting or frustration. Tip number 1 is set screen time limit. Timer or visual timer can help in reduce their dopamine levels. See, we need to understand that dopamine level is nothing but it's going to increase their frustration and their mood swings, their anxiety up and down. So to curtail all this, we need to have a set timer or visual timer. So to avoid any fights, argument or frustration with them, that because they have a clear expectation. What are they expecting? What are we expecting? After certain time you need to cut off. This is the time for off the TV, off the mobile, off the gadget, right? Encourage outdoor activities. Outdoor activities helps in reducing the reliance on screen. When the kids are playing outside, they're obviously going to connect with nature, their hobbies, and this boosts their not only their metabolism, also their increases their dopamine in a better way. So this gives them the feeling of satisfaction, and their mood swings are reduced, and they are tired enough, and obviously they don't have the energy, strength to use mobiles, tabs and all that, and the routine will be followed by itself. So try to inculcate or make a fixed time for their sports, dedicate certain period, certain time during a day that they need to go for outdoor and all. This will help them a lot in a long run. Apart from that, we can have our indoor games or hobbies or projects. Indoor games like board games or art projects or activities where they are playing in with some paper crafts or anything which is making them engaged. Their brain is engaged rather than working on a screen. The third tip is set clear boundaries. Dopamine spikes are very addictive. These spikes are very addictive when it is by using mobile or tabs. So make sure there is certain time when we are not supposed to use mobile, or there are certain places like on the dining table or during the meal time, during the bedtime, before the bedtime. The third, there are fixed certain rules for screen time. This has to be very consistent. It has to be followed by all the family members, and this will affect the child that he or she will learn from members and others. So when others are following, the child is obviously going to comply with. Tip 4 is use parental control and apps. Apps like Google Family Link help monitor screen time and block content that overstimulates dopamine production. Most devices now have built-in screen time management tools also. These let you or let parents know that how to set a limit, how much to set a limit, approve app downloads and filter age-appropriate content. Remember, technology should work for a family, not against a family. Balance is the key to control dopamine and screen time. And let's be consistent. Let's start now and be consistent. Children learn from examples, so let's model ourselves and show them we are the real examples for them. So they will obviously follow us. If you found these tips really helpful, please do like the video and share with other parents also. And please watch my next video also, and do let everyone know that parenting is not easy, but it can be done with little of patience and little of being calm. So try and let me also know what are the other methods you are following to curtail or to cut off or to balance between technology and your family. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.